How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over the first of 4 treble reel steps that I want to teach in a series of treble reels. Pretty much medium level difficulty, I'd say, but really fun and yeah, pretty easy to pick up. I'll teach the first step today, but be on the lookout for the other 3 coming out soon. If I'm teaching too fast or too slow, be sure to use the playback feature to either slow it down to be easy to pick up, or faster if I'm talking way too slow. But anyways, let's get into this dance. So we start with our right foot in front and our left foot in back. We're going to start with we'll start with a bang, just to kind of give it a good kick start. So we're gonna go 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, bang, step. Okay, from there we're gonna go bang, step, treble, hop, toe, heel, down. Okay, we're gonna repeat that twice, once on the right foot and once on the left foot. 2, 3, and down, treble, and toe, heel, down. All right, again, 2, 3, and bang, step, treble, and toe, heel, down, treble, hop, toe, heel, down, into a treble, hop, back. And we're gonna repeat that whole thing without the bang. The bang's kind of its own little thing on its own. Everything else, though, we're gonna repeat that whole phrase again. Okay, so 2, 3, and bang, down, treble, hop, toe, heel, down, treble, toe, heel, down, treble, again, treble, hop, toe, heel, down, treble, toe, heel, down, treble, hop, back. Good tip is down, treble, hop. Make sure you pull up. So then this toe, heel, the dropping of that heel is a lot easier as opposed to having to like pick it up and put it down. You're already pulled up, so you can kind of slide down that rhythm. One more time, 2, 3, and. From here, we're gonna do 2 switching trebles into a butt kick in the back. So we're gonna go down, treble, switch, treble, up. And we're gonna repeat that on the left foot as well. Following that, we're gonna do 2 trebles in the front. Okay, keep them right there. Stay pulled up and back, and to a step in. So we're gonna go. If you got a good hip and ankle, you can shake those trebles. So we can go down, treble, treble, step in, nice and even rhythm. Okay, if you're feeling extra spicy, you can also wave the back foot as well. A little bit more advanced though. Again, recycling the down, treble, and toe, heel, down. Down, treble, hop, back. And that's the start of 1. That's the start of our next tune. Again, 2, 3, and. Again, 2, 3, and. Maybe even slower, 2, 3, and. Good, good, good. Cool. So that whole step together from the top is 2, 3, and. Cool. And that to music. And 6, 7, and 8. Cool. Anyways, that's your first step. If we went a little too fast, make sure you hit that playback speed and take the class over. It's one of the beautiful things about YouTube is you can always retake the class. So I hope you had fun learning it. Give it a go. you know, it takes time to learn a step, so make sure, you know, give it its due. Any questions you have on the step, drop them down in the comments below. Leave a like if you learned something today. Subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I'll see you in the next video for the next step. Pew!